Welcome again to another exciting episode of Crypto Espresso, your teeny tiny daily shot of caffeinated crypto headlines. I'm your host Andrew, and let's see what kind of obscure holiday we have today. It's National Chili Dog Day. How coincidental. We've got so much news that I gotta go fast. First up, the Federal Reserve has increased its base interest rate by 0.75 percentage point for the second time in a row. Bitcoin accelerated to $23,300 in the hours after the announcement was made. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq closed up 4.2% since some analysts were worried the Fed would hike rates by a full percentage point. The U.S. Central Bank has warned further increases may be needed in the months ahead, but there are also fears this could spark a recession. Debate is already raging as to whether the Fed would embark on another drastic 0.75 percentage point increase in September or opt for a smaller rise. The target rate for inflation is 2%, but the consumer price index hit a whopping 9.1% in June. Michael Saylor has criticized Ether and Bitcoin Cash, questioning whether both assets are economically, technically, or ethically sound. MicroStrategy's CEO pointed to Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin, who said the blockchain is about 40% done. As an institutional investor, Saylor said he would need to wait until the protocol is complete before making a decision on its value. Too bad then that Ethereum may not be complete or stable for 3 years. And while Ethereum's monetary policy could change over the next 3 years, Saylor said Bitcoin's monetary policy has been decided for the next 1,000 years. He also warned big upgrades introduce new attack surfaces. Saylor later dismissed Bitcoin Cash as a horrific mistake and a failure. Harmony is facing a backlash as it tries to recover from the $100 million hack of the Horizon Bridge. The blockchain project says it's determined to make victims whole, and estimates suggest 65,000 wallets were affected by the attack. One option involves minting 4.97 billion new One tokens, which would be gradually brought into circulation over a 3-year period. But some investors have accused Harmony of printing more tokens out of thin air, and they say that they shouldn't be expected to pay victims. Such a dramatic increase of One's supply could ramp up inflationary pressure and affect prices in the long term. A vote is due to take place between August 1st and 15th, but Harmony's team are being urged to consider other options. And finally, Unstoppable Domains has achieved the mythical unicorn status in its latest fundraising round, and now commands a valuation of $1 billion. The company has raised $65 million and plans to use the cash to fuel product innovation and grow partnerships in the Web3 space. Unstoppable offers NFT domains, a human-readable username that can be used as a website URL and as a payment address for wallets. Figures suggest that more than 2.5 million of these domains have been registered so far, and now they can be used to log into more than 150 Web3 applications. Unstoppable's CEO, Matthew Gould, said tech giants have controlled people's digital identities for too long, and its offering puts power back into the hands of the people. And here is something that you can put back into your hands: the decision to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click on that little bell icon to get buzzed whenever a new Crypto Espresso video goes live. The choice is yours, and yours alone. Questions about headlines or crypto in general? Choose to ask Alex in the description below. Alex is a great resource for all things Web3 and that metaverse thing that Mark Zuckerberg chose to name his company after for some reason. Anyway, I've been your host Andrew, these have been your headlines, and we'll see y'all tomorrow.